Jensen, an illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a happy birthday card. All right, to draw our friend a happy birthday card, we're going to start with a cake. I'm going to make my cake a pale blue. And we'll start with this paintbrush. And we'll do kind of a rectangle shape. On the bottom of your rectangle, we're going to add a curve. And on the top as well. And then we'll color this in. Next, I'm going to add some dark blue frosting to the bottom. I'm going to make it the tool just a little bigger, and we're just going to do dots. Too big. We're also going to do some frosting around the top. Next, we need to add some birthday candles. I'm going to make our birthday candles red. Maybe not that bright. Maybe that one. I'm going to switch to the marker tool. Make it a little bigger. And we're just going to do a rectangle. I'm going to put 3 candles on mine. But well, maybe 4. But you can put as many candles as you'd like on yours. On the top, we'll add a yellow flame with our marker again. So we're just going to do a teardrop shape right above each rectangle. I'm going to go back to the blue that we had earlier with our marker tool. And I'm going to write happy birthday on our cake. Mm-hmm. All right, so we have birthday on our cake. This is looking really great. And let's add a border to our birthday card. I'm going to use a little bit of that red and our paintbrush from earlier and just go around the edges. Then I'm going to take our marker tool and I'm going to add some circles in the corners. And then some squiggles down the sides with our light blue color. And there you have it, a birthday card for your friend.